We are going to start with the GIS locator. Go to analysis and go to tools. Okay, so create address locator. Okay, then we're going to name it. It's a dual ranger locator. And then we will use the CBD streets as the reference data and client as the CSV as the source data. And we have to match the full name for street name. And then that's it. Then the geocode clients will produce a point layer called clients no alliances. So remember this, we will do is US dual ranges for reference data. It will be reference data. We will use this one. Okay, the row, it will be primary table. Okay, hopefully other field will. Nope. It is not auto match. Okay. From left. Okay, so we have a field in this full street name. It will be. That's weird. Okay. All right. Source data. Oh, okay. Reference data. Reference data. It will be CBD streets. Sorry, CBD streets. Reference. Okay, now it's automatically filled. As the source data, it didn't mention about the source data. Reference data, we have everything, okay. And this one will be full name. Source data, streets, reference data. Select the street name, full name for street name, full name, okay. And output, it will be clients CBD locator, no alias. Then geocode clients to produce a point layer, okay. Geocode, okay, I will use client. Failed, okay, let's see. To object left from, yeah, this is auto field. Which one did I miss? I don't think I missed any. Street rank, we don't need street rank. Yep, full street. Okay, click run again. Perimeter is missing. Let's see which one is missing. Perimeter is missing. Okay, perimeter is missing. Which one? Full street name. Okay, feature ID, object ID, that's fine. Run again. Okay. Dual ranges. Which one is missing? Oh. left part, left. Okay, let's see which one. Oh, right here, street name. That's why. Street name. Full name. Full street name, none. There. Okay, run. I thought it was that one, but it should be down here, street name with a... Okay, gonna take some time to run, and then we will right click on the CSV for the clients. We will do geocode address. So for geocode address, we use that as the input table and output. So output we will have is client no alias, and then we will following a partial listing of this client CSV, and then selected for records have a place names. Instead of just addresses are only the records that will not geocode at this time, because we are not using an alias table. Check to see that for highlighted records are the only ones are not matched as here. Okay, now we will right click on this and go to geocode, not geocode table, and geocode addresses. Just type geocode addresses, and then the source table that we have is the client CSV input address locator. That's the one we just had. And multiple field, address, zip code, and output, it will be clients no alias. Click run. And we will build a locator with an alias table to figure the figure that follows has the contents of alias CVS. We will, if we geocode this table, we will find that 3 address match, but we can expect that geocoding with this alias table will result in 100% matches for the client data. In the catalog pane, we will expand geolocator and right click on that, and then go to locator properties. Okay, this one is successfully, and locator property. Okay. Which one we go? Okay, CBD, no alias, property. And on the left hand, we will click place name alias table. For the alias table, navigate to the data and select alias table CVS. Okay. Alias table CVS. Okay, folders. Is it in tutorial or data? It's in data. Folder chapter A. Go back. Desktop. Chapter A. Data. And alias table. And then click OK. Okay, so that alias field, it will be name. And address fields, the first one we will say address. The second one, of course, is the zip code. Click OK. And geocode the clients using that to produce client's alias table. And then we will find 100% of the client's record match, which is what you need to carry out option routing of deliveries between doing the research to rematch source records and alias table. We will always geocode 100% of the records that have usable address. We will finish, we will save and close the project for sure. Okay, geocode that. Okay, we will geocode clients. Okay, geocode address. Okay, input table. Okay, and then it will be clients, and using this and input address field, it was met, okay, to produce client's alias table. All right, so that, okay, client's alias table. Okay, so then saved into geodatabase A, client's alias table, client's alias table. Okay, click run. Okay, this is our client's alias table, and we open the attribute. There, and then we can right click on and go to data and rematch addresses. And of course we choose this one. So you can see the score. And if you know the address, and make sure where it is, so there, they choose the better score one. We can see it's all 100% for the 27 records. Alright, so we're going to save everything. Okay, so this chapter, to be honest, I really don't like the geocode thing because it takes a lot of space to do it, but it's very important, and we will readjust some of the issues. Then we will move on to part 3 for applying advanced GIS technologies. So for geocoding, we can say using and mapping maps is right here, and working with the spatial data, we have to do geodatabase, geoprocessing, digitizing. Once you finish everything, you have to put it into reference geocode, which is the geocode. And then we perform spatial analysis, which is right here, and then managing GIS, managing systems with a GIS collector. You're going to collect data and operations dashboard. And we already went through this, talk about the fuzzy machine and how it's the background information, how it is geocoded, and the example we went through. And tabular data, street address, and zip code, those are the very important features. Street, central lines, and zip code, code polygons. So there are the difference, street, central lines, and then the zip code polygons. And the polygon geocoding that we use zip code, the method to map data whose geocode zip code is for a polygon. Assign each record to a polygon, spatially joined to count the records for each polygon, and symbolize using a color path map or graduated point symbols. So the zip code boundaries, administrative boundaries for delivery mail, estimated by Census Bureau from postal delivery routes cross political boundaries. Geocode points at zip code centrally. That points spatially joined and aggregated to zip code polygons. So food resources as color path map count. That is an example that using the zip code. And linear geocoding street central lines for street address numbers, low to high or each side of a street segments. So it could be a little tricky for the streets. And address components, for example, we put the number and then street name, street type, direction suffix, direction prefix, and unit number. So if you are apartment, you have apartment number. If it's a house, you do not have. And zone and the city, and then zip code. And records for a single number street address, for example, is right here. So it separated address and unit, city, and zip code. In street intersections, put street